Hey everybody, let's talk about salt. Salt is something we use every day, but do you know why it's so important? Salt is made of sodium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in our bodies. Sodium is essential for maintaining fluid balance, transmitting nerve impulses, and ensuring proper muscle function. It helps our nerves and muscles work efficiently, allowing us to move and react quickly. We need some sodium to be healthy, but it's important to get the right amount. However, consuming too much sodium can lead to serious health issues. Excessive sodium intake can cause high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. It's surprisingly easy to eat too much sodium, especially with the prevalence of processed and fast foods. Many foods have lots of hidden salt, making it hard to keep track of how much we're consuming. But don't worry, there are simple ways to reduce your sodium intake. By choosing fresh, whole foods and cooking at home, you can control the amount of salt in your diet. Small changes like using herbs and spices instead of salt can make a big difference in your health. It's easier than you think. Lots of foods have hidden sodium. Processed foods are big culprits. These foods are often made for quick meals. Canned soups are a good example. They can be high in sodium. Bread is another one. Even some cereals have lots of sodium. Fast food is loaded with sodium. Restaurant food can be too. Always ask for less salt. Too much sodium is hard on our bodies. It can raise our blood pressure. High blood pressure is no laughing matter. High blood pressure can lead to heart problems. It can also cause strokes. Too much sodium can hurt our kidneys. Our kidneys work hard to flush out extra sodium. Section 4. Shaking the salt. Habit. Practical tips for sodium reduction. Reducing sodium in your diet can be easier than you think. It just takes a few mindful changes to your daily habits. We can easily lower our sodium intake by making smarter choices. Start by incorporating more fresh vegetables and fruits into your meals. They are naturally low in sodium and packed with nutrients. Start by reading food labels carefully. This is one of the most effective ways to monitor your sodium intake. Look at the sodium content on the nutrition facts label. Aim for products with lower sodium levels, ideally less than 5% of the daily value per serving. Choose fresh foods over processed ones. Fresh produce, lean meats, and whole grains are excellent choices that help you avoid hidden sodium. Cook more meals at home. This gives you full control over the ingredients and the amount of salt you use. That way, you control the salt. Experiment with herbs and spices to enhance flavor without adding sodium. Rinse canned beans and vegetables to remove excess sodium. This simple step can significantly reduce the sodium content. Use herbs and spices instead of salt. Fresh herbs, garlic, lemon juice, and pepper can add a burst of flavor to your dishes. There are so many delicious options. By making these small changes, you can enjoy flavorful meals while keeping your sodium intake in check. Section 5. Embrace the flavor, ditch the salt. Enjoying a healthier you. By using fresh herbs and spices, you can enhance the taste of your meals without relying on salt. Experiment with different combinations to find what you love. Lowering sodium intake is a gift to your body. Drinking plenty of water and eating balanced meals can help you feel more energized and improve your overall health. You'll feel better, inside and out. Regular exercise and a nutritious diet work hand in hand to boost your mood and physical well-being. It's about enjoying food in a healthier way. Preparing colorful salads and sharing meals with loved ones can make healthy eating more enjoyable and sustainable. Small changes can make a big difference over time. Opt for low-sodium options when shopping and be mindful of how much salt you add while cooking. Your heart and taste buds will thank you. Incorporating heart-healthy foods like nuts and fish into your diet can be both delicious and beneficial. Be kind to your body. Choose less salt. Reading food labels can help you make informed choices and reduce your sodium intake, leading to a healthier lifestyle.